Nice Acura here with the ice cube lights. Those are the 5 ice cubes in the light. This car needed, it was yellow and hazed out. Not so bad, really not so bad. But you know what? It looked really dull on the car. When these lights shine up, it really wakes up the nose of the car. You're gonna see now how awesome they came out. Remember, if you're in South Florida, Broward County, look at this. Look at that, clean as a whistle, shines like a crystal. Those are those ice cube lights. 754-302-0769. Whether you're in Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach County, just give us a call or text us your pictures of your lights and we'll get back to you. We service Broward County, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach. We're 100% mobile. 754-302-0769.